Mariam's doing a survey about becoming a mother. At what age will you have your first birthday? First baby? Do you think it's a good question? Well, no. Well, it's tough to predict. So you could put that down. Tough to predict. It's only one mark, so you only have to give one reason. It's pretty intrusive to find out when someone intends to have their first baby. Someone might be a mother already. A whole lot of different things. Okay. Anyhow, let's move on for these 2 marks. Representative stratified sample of 50 girls. Okay. First off, we need to know how many girls there are here total. So I need to do a total. Add those up, get 800. And so I need to get how many girls from year 9 should you interview? Well, it's 180 out of 800. So that would be the fraction you've got to start off with. That's your fraction of, you've got to do that of 50. If you do that, you get 11.25. Well, you can't ask 0.25 a girl, so it needs to be 11 girls. Right. We've got a table down here. We've got to go over to the next page up here. Draw a histogram. Now, a histogram is like a bar chart, but instead of where the height is the frequency, the area of a bar equals the frequency. I never remember the formula, but I know how to work out the area. You do the class width, because that's the width of your bar, and you times that by the height, and that will give you the area, and that will equal the frequency. But I've got the frequency. For example, it says 41,000 down there, and I actually want to find out what the height is, so I need to get the height is the frequency divided by the class width. So I need to know the class width, so I'm going to put down CW here. Class width, that's 10, between 10 and 20, that's 5. Between 25 and 30, it's also 5. Oh, it looks like they're all 5. Oh no, the last one's 20. Right, so I've got that. I've got class width, and I now need to do the frequency divided by the class width. So 41 divided by 10 is 4.1. And so what I'm doing is the frequency divided by the class width. I've got 137 divided by 5, 27.4. Keep going with those. And now I've got to put those onto my graph. 10 to 20. And it goes up to 4.1, so mine's not going to be particularly accurate. 20 to 25, so I've got to draw a bar going up here. How high does it need to go? 27.4, somewhere around about there. Then we get 39.8, nearly up to 40. That's between 25 and 30. Next one, 30 to 35, goes just a little bit higher than that. And 23, between 35 and 40, so something like this. And 40 to 45 is 5.2. And the last one, 20 to 0.1. So I've got to go all the way out to 21, up to 65. Very, very small down there. And then we've got to compare these things. You have to sort of make it up a little bit. It could be anything. There's certainly more mothers. Age of mothers, birth ages, more mothers less than 25. 25's here, so more mothers less than 25 in 2010. No, is it 2010? No, I had the other way around. It's more here, up here, it's more than there. That's not this one, second one, they did it the wrong way around, confused me. 1980. And there are more mothers greater than 40 in, well, there's no one greater than 45 in 1980. So there's more mothers greater in the top one, which is 2010. Finish off a bit strangely, but that's the important bit. For a histogram, the area is the frequency, and you work out the area of a bar by doing the width times the height, and rearrange that. You can get your formula to work out the frequency density.